Is your Nissan Micra key fob not working, or is the case already open? The most common cause is a dead battery. The Nissan Micra key fobs, especially models from 2010 and newer, typically use a CR2032 battery, but older models might use a CR2025. First, confirm the battery type by checking your model or the existing battery. If your case is already open, carefully remove the old battery using a small screwdriver or non-metal tool. Ensure you note the battery's orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the correct polarity and snap the case back together. Test the fob to see if it works. If the remote is still not working, proceed to the next section for troubleshooting. If your Nissan Micra key fob isn't working after replacing the battery, first check for corrosion on the battery contacts and clean with isopropyl alcohol. Next, try reprogramming the key fob. For some models, this involves turning the ignition key to the on position 5 times. For newer models, you might need to use the Nissan Connect app or visit a dealership. Also, consider the battery quality. Counterfeit CR2032 batteries are common and fail quickly. If issues persist, a diagnostic tool can check for deeper issues, but often a simple battery replacement and cleaning resolves the issue. Consider consulting a professional if these steps fail.